I wanted to do a quick video on how you can earn some extra cash simply by opening a new checking account. I did one this weekend with SunTrust, and this was one of the more easier ones because you only had to have qualifying direct deposits of $500 within 90 days. Also, the majority of these banks, you can't have done business with them or even be like a joint account holder within the last 180 days. So just make sure you read the terms and conditions, and that way you can get that extra cash. So, but let me go over this one right quick. SunTrust, and this is good until March 31st. Oh, can you see that? March 31st. For this one, the majority of them do have promotion codes. So I'm gonna put a link to a website that I found that had numerous banks. So maybe you can apply for a couple if you have, if you have more than one source of income, which normally is from either employment, VA disability, pension, Social Security. I believe that was it. Retirement, like military retirement. But just read over the terms and conditions carefully for each bank. That way, there won't be any question at, when it's time to get your money. But for this one, if I haven't already said it, you only had to make $500 of direct deposits within 90 days. So that's pretty good, if you're able to do that. So I did that. Oh, one other thing too. Whenever you initially open up the account, which is where I screwed up, I deposited 50 because there was like this little drop box, and it opened up a checking and a savings, and I just wanted the checking. So I did 50. But later, 10 minutes later, as I'm reading the card, and I don't know why I didn't just read it carefully beforehand, probably because my mind was somewhere else. I just wanted to get this done so I could go on to the next project. But it cost me more unnecessary headache because then I got on the telephone wanting to make sure, can I go deposit that money on Monday? And after she put me on hold, it was just chaotic and a mess and unnecessary had I just read the terms. So they say they give you 5 days to do it. I just went to the bank like about 10 minutes ago, and I just deposited $100. So I'm like, I'll have 150. So, whatever. I want to make sure there's no confusion, So anyway, that's that one. Bank of America, they were offering $300, and you had the deposit, I want to say it was like $4,000 in 90 days. So I did that one. But the great thing about Bank of America is when I got my welcome packet in January, they sent me information on their credit card, which I didn't even know that they had a promo for that as well. For the credit card, you had to, once you applied and whatever, they were offering $200 cash reward bonus. If you made $1,000 worth of purchases within 90 days, which I did. I did utilities, gas, food, everything. But along with that, they were also offering reward points. And those reward points turn into dollars. So I had the option of, they had like base rewards of like 1%, 2%, 3%. And you can designate where you want that 3% to go to, which I did to online shopping because that's how I'm doing a lot of my shopping. Instacart, Amazon, like most people. So I ended up with I got the card in January. By February 17th, I had $216, the cash rewards bonus plus the points that I got. So, and I just put that right back on my credit card, so use it to your advantage. That was really great. And last year, I only did it one time. I did it with Wells Fargo, and I actually made $400. So I don't know if you can see that. I highlighted it. But all of this income or additional money is, you're going to have to file it on your taxes, which is what this is. This is a statement that Wells Fargo sent me. But I mean, it's $400. I may have to pay back a couple of dollars or whatever, but who cares? I'm still ahead of the game. And this year, I'm going to see how far I can go. Hush. I did, like I said, I've already made $516 thus far, and along with the other $200. So some of these banks I might keep and just cut off my direct deposits, and you know, until just to see how, you know, much I can get this year. And you know, whatever works for you. There's a website, like I said, I'm going to put on there. It's called moneycrashers.com. Take a look at it. They started like the new quarter, I want to say. What did I see? It had like March to June. I wouldn't think that would be the new quarter. I would think it would have been like April to, I don't know how to do that. But I saw in there, it was like Bank of America had one March to June. It wasn't the same 300, but they are offering something along with other banks. I think I saw like PNC. I saw several. I can't remember. Maybe Chase too, but I'll put it on there. Hopefully this helps. You can make some extra cash. Tell somebody about it. And, you know, we could all use a few extra dollars, especially during this time. So I hope this helps. Take care. And as I think of different tips, which I'm always thinking of something, I will share.